Introducing the Logitech Brio 4K webcam, the pinnacle of video conferencing technology. Get ready to embark on a journey into the world of stunning clarity and detail. In this video, we'll start with an up-close 360-degree view of the outside of the box. The first impression matters, and Logitech knows it. Right on the front, you'll notice the unmistakable Logitech logo, a symbol of innovation and trust. But the real magic lies within. Let's take a moment to appreciate the thoughtful design. The box opens smoothly, revealing the Brio 4K webcam nestled securely inside. The webcam itself boasts a sleek and modern design, with clean lines and a compact form factor. It's a testament to Logitech's commitment to aesthetics and functionality. As we take a closer look, you'll see that the Brio 4K webcam comes equipped with a high-quality USB cable designed to meet your most demanding needs. Crafted with durability in mind, this cable is built to last. The connectors are robust and designed for a secure fit, so you can trust it to maintain a stable connection during your important video calls. But what truly sets this cable apart is its flexibility. It can reach where you need it to go without any hassle. No more stretching and straining. The Brio webcam's USB cable adapts to your setup, ensuring convenience and comfort. Connecting the cable to your Brio webcam is a breeze. It fits snugly into the port, securing the camera's power and data transmission. The Brio 4K webcam includes a convenient travel bag bearing the trusted Logitech logo. His small bag is designed with portability in mind. It's the perfect size for storing your Brio webcam when you're on the move. Compact, yet spacious enough to accommodate the essentials. It keeps your camera safe from scratches and dust, ensuring it's in pristine condition whenever you need it. Now it's time to unveil the heart of the Logitech Brio 4K webcam, the camera itself. Let's explore the sleek design, the protective plastic, and the innovative clip that secures it to your laptop or monitor. Behold the Brio 4K webcam, elegantly encased in protective plastic. Logitech takes extra care to ensure your camera arrives in pristine condition, free from any scratches or smudges. Gently peel away the plastic, and you'll be greeted by the camera's flawless surface, a reflection of the craftsmanship that goes into each Logitech product. But what truly sets the Brio webcam apart is its innovative clip. This versatile attachment secures the camera to the top of your laptop or monitor with ease. Installing the camera is a breeze. The clip provides a snug and secure fit, ensuring your camera stays in place during video conferences and presentations. Adjusting the angle is effortless. The camera allows you to find the perfect perspective, ensuring you look your best and can engage with your audience effectively. In this segment, we're about to delve into the essential software that elevates your Brio experience. Let's learn how to download it and discover which operating systems are supported. Downloading the software is a breeze. Simply head to the Logitech website and navigate to the Brio 4K webcam's support page. There, you'll find a download link for the software. Once downloaded, the installation process is straightforward. Just follow the on-screen instructions, and in no time, you'll have the software ready to enhance your webcam experience. The Logitech software is the key to unlocking the full potential of your Brio 4K webcam. It's your portal to customization and fine-tuning, ensuring you get the best results from your camera. We now turn our attention to the software's field of view. The field of view is a pivotal aspect of any webcam, determining how much of your surroundings can be captured in a single frame. With the Logitech software, you have control over the field of view, allowing you to tailor it to your specific needs. Whether it's a wide-angle view for showcasing your workspace, or a tighter focus for solo presentations, you're in the driver's seat. We also have autofocus and auto-white balance, some additional image settings, and anti-flicker the chroma key for green screens or blue screens. You can flip your video horizontally or vertically. Here we have text we can place on screen. You can select the font, align it, and change its background. You can use scene effects for different appearance. Next up, we have something truly versatile, the ability to select different video resolutions, from landscape to portrait and even square. This ensures your webcam covers all your social media needs. With the Logitech software, you gain the power to adapt your video resolution to perfectly suit your content, whether you're crafting a captivating landscape video, a square shot, or even a portrait for social media. The Brio webcam has you covered. Let's see it in action. Within the Logitech software, you can effortlessly switch between different video resolutions, tailoring your content to your audience's preferences and the platform you're using. So, whether you're a content creator, a social media enthusiast, or a professional in need of diverse video options, the Brio webcam is here to meet your unique demands.